My fellow South Africans, we as the South African national country have decided to invest 2.5 billion to build jobs, to create free education for the people that are not getting education. Matala, I just deposited 250 million into the account, into your account. Yeah. Don't worry. Also me, I'm gonna pull out a young, just not to like Jambisa to the South Africans that were eating their money. Just take a something like 10 million this time, because like you have to take the big amount. Yes, because you are Cat Matrala at the end of the day. You feel me? No, I told them they believe that their money is that we're gonna build jobs, we're gonna build schools, but no. Us, we're gonna go there to Cape Verde, connect on the baddies. We go to Brazil, we fetch the Latina mommies. We go to Dubai and do everything. We're gonna explore the world, my brother. Don't know how to. Andati.